Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you my best purchases in 2020. If you like this type of video, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So the first one, which is also my best purchases in 2020, is my 5 motif Van Cleef Alhambra bracelets. Mine is in yellow gold, so it has 3 yellow gold glaze motif and also 2 yellow gold with diamond motif. This is just such a pretty pieces and I have been loving it. I had it on my bracelet on a daily basis and I never take it off even for the shower. So I got this in September. Many of you been asking many opinions, recommendations, and also the tips on this. And yes, it will get scratches on the glaze gold. You cannot really see it from far, but if you see it really close by, you should be able to see it. But it all gets scratches, just like your love bracelets, you get a lot of scratches as well. If you have a big concerns on that, this is probably not your best purchases. You probably want to consider mother of pearl or any other stones, or the ones with the diamond does not have this problem, but the price is definitely gonna be much higher. Even I have this one, I'm still considering getting a mother of pearl one. It's just because I really like this style, and the motif is just so pretty. It's like flower on your wrist, and it's just loving it. Every time I'm looking at my wrist, I'm just happy. So this is definitely one of my best purchases. And the second purchases that I want to talk about right now is actually also a jewelry pieces. For some reason in 2020, because of everything going on, we were not able to go outside a lot. So I was not too much interested in purchasing handbags. Instead of handbags, I really been loving looking at the jewelries and everything, just because even you stay at home, you still can wear those jewelries, just like the bracelets, like the necklaces and even the rings. Usually at home I don't normally wear rings, just because you still have to do a lot of houseworks. And yep, so the second purchase is, with no doubt, it's also jewelry pieces. It's actually my finest white gold necklaces here. I actually just got it a few days ago. I wore it for about a week, but I still already can see it is one of my best purchases in 2020, because I know that I'm gonna use it daily for a long period and I can get so much out of it. So the third purchase is actually a fashion wear. It is sunglasses. This is the I Feel Pretty sunglasses from Louis Vuitton. I really like the mirror impact. If I put it on, this is how it looks like. I like this is a little bit different, and also the shape of the sunglasses, it can make my face look a little bit better, slimmer. And I also love the design on the side. It is really comfortable and sturdy if you look at on the side. So highly recommend this for someone who want a mirror impact sunglasses with this big shape like this. So highly recommend. It's very pretty. So the next is my Dyson straightener. It is cordless. This is one of the huge help. Usually spend about an hour to get it in full charge. Every full charge you can use it for about 30 minutes. It just helps a lot. So you can simply just open it like so and click on the power button and click on plus and in minus. This is how you choose the temperature. Once you set it up, it just takes a few seconds. You can get everything ready. And the good thing about this is that you can straighten your hair with less heat and up to half of the damage to your hair compared to any other straighteners. So this is definitely a huge plus. Okay, so this is already ready. It has a check mark as you see. So that was it. And the design is just great. It's a bit heavy, but I think it's still easy since it does not have a cord. That helps a lot. It has a stand like this, but on my desk it is like so. Very pretty and easy to use, and it's actually better for your hair. But to be honest, this is a pricey straightener. You have so many other choices on the market that you can get a straightener for so much less with the same thing. But yeah, but this is for shop for the brand name and also the design and advanced technology. But I still very loving this. I'm using this a ton. And the last two items I have is two skincare item actually. This is the Yours watery oil from Glen. I actually never used this before, but as you can see, this is already empty, and this is the second bottle of the year. I just have been loving it. It has honey and also the royal jelly from Glen. And this is a lightweight oil which can smooth your skin. This is a lightweight oil that it combines to the oil with the serum to make your skin look dewy and smooth and moisturized. I usually use this after the toner and before the moisturize. Been loving it. It helps me a lot when I feel really dry. I definitely will use this. And the second one is this dewy cream from Tatcha. First of all, the bottle looks just stunning. Loving this purple color design, and it actually has a screw on the top. So you open it up. This is the cream looks like. It is actually purple inside. And let me take the screw out from here and screw it up like so from my hand. It's so easy to blend into your skin, and it feels so moisturized. I put too much on my hand, but you can see on the side it just feels really moisturized. I love to use it in the winter. It is a little bit too heavy in the summer, but in winter this is definitely the best one. This is actually my second bottle of the year for the same cream as well. So highly recommend if you are looking for something new that you want to try on and you don't know what to do, and this is definitely two products that you can think about it. And that is all about my best purchases for 2020. I hope you're enjoying this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.